Hello friends, my name is Pragnesh Shah. By profession I am an educator. My expertise is teaching in programming languages. Since last 18 years I teach. I teach to various institutes, colleges, coaching classes. I am here to share with today the frequently asked questions that's called FAQ for admission related to BSc in IT and BSc in computer science. So over the years of the time, I have found that some certain questions are asked by the various students, parents, and their guardians. So here I am sharing with you the very similar kind of which helps you to decide your college, to decide how to do BSc IT and why to do BSc in IT. So let's begin. So let me share with one presentation with you. So here I said it's FAQ, that's called frequently asked questions. So let's begin. So my first question is, which usually students are asking is, I score less percentage in the 12th standard and I wanted to pursue engineering, but now I cannot. So can I do BSc IT? So first of all, your answer is yes, but let me clarify that BSc IT itself has its own identity. It's not like कि engineering में admission नहीं मिला करके students are taking BSc in IT. So this branch has its own identity. I mean, corporates are aware of there is a course called BSc in IT, and उस कोर्स में ये सब्जेक्ट्स हैं and very practical, I mean industry oriented subjects रखा है in this course. In fact, many of the subjects like ASP.NET, Linux administration, I am not saying Linux OS, Linux administration, these are the certain subjects which are there in BSc IT which is not there in engineering. So yes, you can definitely do BSc in IT. Let's move to next. So next is, am I able to do BSc in IT or computer science if I didn't have IT or computer science background in 12th standard? So this is the myth. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को और पेरेंट्स को भी ऐसा लगता है कि भाई 11th-12th में हमने IT नहीं लिया, कंप्यूटर साइंस नहीं लिया, या हमको मिला नहीं, एंड अभी मुझे BSc IT या कंप्यूटर साइंस में मिल रहा है. देयर इज नो कनेक्शन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर ऐसा होता तो शायद गवर्नमेंट ने या मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी ने रूल ही रखते थे या प्री रिक्विजिट रखते थे कि दोज हु हैव 11th-12th में IT वो ही स्टूडेंट्स एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. Since they are saying that anyone can join, that indicates, and the syllabus is such designed that it's starting from the scratch. So no worry at all. कुछ भी problem नहीं है. In fact, first 2 months अगर किसी ने IT और कंप्यूटर साइंस 12th में किया है तो उसको थोड़ा बेनिफिट दिखेगा, और है भी. लेकिन after 2 months, when the examination somewhere after 6 months comes, all are at the same bench. So no worry at all. So let's move to next question. Am I able to cope up with BSc in IT if commerce background? Yes, you can very well. कोई issue नहीं है. Mumbai University has said that if you have a maths in 12th commerce, you can take BSc in IT. वो तो हो गया admission process. But आप कर पाओगे कि नहीं? तो yes, you can. But few challenges, take note of that. Like digital electronics is the one subject in semester 1, microprocessor is in semester 2. These are completely network and electronics related subjects which is little bit relation with physics. So वो part आपको यहाँ पे cover किया है. बट साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा इजीली समझता है, तो कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स देना है. बट सिंस यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, कॉमर्स से साइंस में स्विच कर रहे हो, you are getting an opportunity to do a BSc in IT which is almost engineering, उतना मेहनत करना है आपको. So one thing very clear for commerce students, welcome to BSc IT, and I will not use but, and do some extra work for the subjects like electronics. Programming में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैथमेटिक्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, all are on the same bench. Yes. Let's move to next. Will I get a job after BSc IT or computer science? Yes, there is lots of opportunities for BSc in IT students and computer science students. Some of the companies like Tata Consultancy, TCS are very much popular in BSc in IT because they take more BSc IT than the engineering students. And many companies, around, I can say that more than 50% colleges have campus interviews in their own college, where companies are coming in the semester 6, few times semester 5, and they hire the students. And the hiring ratio is between 30 to 60%, sometimes 80% of the class. That depends upon the situation and time. But yes, you are getting good job in BSc IT and computer science. Let's move to next. Should I join BSc in IT or BSc in computer science or BCA? So now let me clear with Mumbai University, since I am belongs to Mumbai. Mumbai and Maharashtra के लिए BSc IT and BSc computer science, ये दो कोर्स यूनिवर्सिटी recognize है. BCA is not recognized under Mumbai University. So if you are willing to take कि नहीं मुझे मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी में ही करना है, then BCA नहीं हो सकता. Now, if you are from Karnataka or let's say Gujarat or let's say Delhi, their government, their university have given the course name as a BCA. Now, उस यूनिवर्सिटी में BCA is recognized, BSc IT recognized नहीं है. अगर आप दिल्ली में जाते हैं और वो BCA का कोर्स है, दैट मीन्स वो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का होगा. बट अगर दिल्ली में जाते हैं और BSc IT कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो फेक यूनिवर्सिटी होगी या तो डीम यूनिवर्सिटी होगी. सो देयर इज अ वन इश्यू विद द इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया दैट द कोर्स नेम इज वेरी फ्रॉम स्टेट टू स्टेट. बहुत सिंपल है, आप क्या करेंगे, उस स्टेट में जहां पे एडमिशंस ले रहे हैं उसकी यूनिवर्सिटी की साइट पे जाके चेक करेंगे कि कौन सा कोर्स रजिस्टर्ड है, रादर देन आस्किंग टू BCA के कोर्स के कॉलेज को कि आर यू रजिस्टर्ड और आर यू रिकॉग्नाइज्ड. वो लोग तो हाँ ही बोलेंगे, एंड दे विल चेंज सम नेम. दे विल से दैट वी आर नॉट एफिलिएटेड टू मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी बट वी आर एफिलिएटेड टू UGC, एंड यू मे नॉट बी अवेयर ऑफ कि UGC क्या है एंड मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी क्या है. सो रादर देन गोइंग इन दैट पॉलिटिक्स, वी आर वेरी क्लियर दैट as per the state you decide कि कौन सा कोर्स है. राइट, रिलेटेड टू दिस एक और क्वेश्चन मैंने पुट अप किया है, लेट्स चेक. सो व्हाट इज बेटर, आई मीन सॉरी, व्हिच इज बेटर, मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी और डीम यूनिवर्सिटी? यस, दिस इज अगेन come up with the last 2 years that many colleges are now they become their own university, जिसको हम लोग डीम यूनिवर्सिटी बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रुइया कॉलेज, NM कॉलेज, ठाकुर कॉलेज, NK कॉलेज, मलाड. सो नाउ हियर देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन कम्स. In Mumbai University, if you are going to the top college, no worry. If you are Mumbai University, you are going to the weak college, then there is a worry. If you are getting the weak college of Mumbai University, then definitely you can go to the Deemed University. Now, Deemed University again has a 2 category. They are their own standard, like Ruia College. Now, I don't want to give the specific name today, but yes, there are few colleges, they don't have their own brand name, but still they become a Deemed University. Be aware of that. वो Deemed University का खुद का कोई स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है. तो इन दैट देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क कि आपको कैसा एकेडमिक होगा, कैसा प्लेसमेंट्स मिलेगा. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल यू आर चूजिंग दिस डीम यूनिवर्सिटी. And I suggest if you are choosing the deemed university, please find it out certain passed out students and find it out the review. Okay, so let's go next. Which college to choose? This is a big question, and here I do not want to reply with the 1, 2 or 3 college का name कि इसी college में लो. But if I ask, कोई स्टूडेंट मुझे पूछता है कि विच कॉलेज टू चूज, तो मेरे उसके सामने 4 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं या 5 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि मैं उसको पूछता हूं कि क्या पूछूंगा मैं. तो दिस आर द माय पैरामीटर्स टू डिसाइड व्हाट इज योर स्कोर. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, आपका मैथ्स का स्कोर के बेसिस के ऊपर बीएससी आईटी का एडमिशन हो रहा है. आपका मैथ्स का स्कोर है जस्ट 40-45 एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच कॉलेज टू चूज. You don't have a choice. आपको जो मिल रहा है वो लेना है. But you have a good score above 70 in a mathematics or 75 or 80. You have a chance कि चलो मैं A में जाऊं, B में जाऊं या C में जाऊं. So first of all, your score important. Second, how you can choose. What is the placement ratio in that college that you can decide. Now placement ratio कंपनी की कॉलेज की साइट पे जाके कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे. हर कॉलेज लिखता है हमारे यहाँ प्लेसमेंट आता है, राइट. सो यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट एल्यूमिनाई स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट उस कॉलेज के पास्ड आउट स्टूडेंट्स. एंड मुझे नहीं लगता आज की सोशल मीडिया की लाइफ में आपको कोई भी स्टूडेंट ना मिले. इट्स वेरी इजी टू ट्रेस एनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. सो आस्क देम. थर्ड वन, ट्रैवलिंग. Would you like to travel from your place to college? Will you able to travel that much? You are staying somewhere in let's say Vile Parle, and then you have to travel all the way to Churchgate. That time, 1 hour, is important. Again, the stress due to traveling, and again your capacity. In fact, traveling from one place to another place is good to basically prepare yourself for the job. But if you are staying somewhere at Vasai Virar and choosing the college of Churchgate, you have a good score, KC college mil raha hai, think twice. 2 hours ka traveling to go, 2 hours to back, and then you have your own assignments or preparation, maybe classes. How will you manage? Just check. One more parameter is fees. Are you able to pay that much fees which college is charging, right? As per that also you can decide, because you must support your family, being a family member. Then you have a brand value and past students experience, you can decide. So I hope I am very much justifying that these are the parameters जिससे आप decide कर सकते हो, rather than I'll say ये college में जाओ. Yes. Next, what is the criteria to select in a campus interview in TY? Now, maybe some of the students are thinking or parents are thinking जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं कि अभी तो FY में एडमिशन नहीं मिला है एंड आप कैंपस इंटरव्यू की बात कर रहे हैं. नहीं, I believe that कि before going to the first year in BSc IT आपको एक क्राइटेरिया क्लियर होना चाहिए कि if I want to select in a campus interview, you must have minimum 7 pointers, as जिसको आप CGPA बोलते हो. अगर आप परसेंटेज की लैंग्वेज समझते हैं तो 60% प्लस होना चाहिए फ्रॉम सेमेस्टर 1 टू सेमेस्टर 4. नाउ कुछ कंपनीज उससे भी आगे एक्सपेक्ट करती है. दे मस्ट हैव अ मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया ऑफ लेट्स से 70% और 8 CGPA. देन यू will be surprised when you are coming in the TY and someone, and maybe some companies are saying, let's say take an example of Infosys का criteria many of the times ऐसा रहता है, don't even semester 1, 10th 12th minimum 55%. now आपका 12th का रिजल्ट आ चुका है, we cannot alter, उसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. 10th का रिजल्ट आपका ऑलरेडी 2 साल पहले आ चुका है, आप उसको ऑल्टर नहीं कर सकते. but what you have in hand, that definitely you can do that. So FY से minimum 7 pointer से ऊपर रहना, क्राइटेरिया रहना है, वो दिमाग में रहना चाहिए आपके. Yes. Next, do I require classes or tuitions? So now it is again an individual choice, but yes, with reference to the one criteria which is written just above, keep it that point in a mind and prepare yourself. And मैं हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स की कैपेबिलिटी पे बोलता हूं कि यू डिसाइड. पेरेंट्स को मैं ये मैसेज देता हूं कि दिस इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर. आपकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. देन इन सेकेंड ईयर यू डिसाइड विच सब्जेक्ट्स टू चूज. And on the final year, again, you join the classes for the best of best coaching. And then you can get again directly into the industry. So coaching classes join from the industry's point of view, from your concept point of view, not to get the just only score. Yeah. Should I join any other certification courses like CCNA or programming? So no, not at all. Because at this level, you don't have that maturity. Second, when you are learning the subjects in BSc IT or computer science, you have all the subjects like programming, electronics, mathematics, networking. Now, based on your experience, how you are performing, how you like and dislike, once your graduation is complete, you can finalize whether you want to do in networking or software testing or designing or programming, and then you join the any certification course which makes sense. Yes. Next, so what can I do after BSc in IT? वापिस ये अभी पूछने का क्वेश्चन नहीं है, but still I would like to give a hint कि these are the things which you can do after BSc in IT, like MCA, job, MSc IT, MBA, and many more. Post graduation you can do in diploma and certification courses. यहाँ पे certification course की value है because you are a matured, you have a done graduation, and now you are choosing the certification course of your interest, right? Yes. So which college are the best in BSc IT? So I don't want to give a one name. So I am giving the different names from the geographical location between Vasai to Churchgate. So you got KC College, UPG College, Xavier's, Thakur, Vartak, KJ Somaya, Khalsa, Jai Hind, Ruia, Ruparel, Wilson, Chetna, MET, and many more. अगर आप बैंड्रा रहते हैं, चूज चेतना MET. अगर आप दादर रहते हैं, यू वांट टू ट्रैवल कर सकते हो, गो अहेड विद केसी कॉलेज और रुइया कॉलेज. आर यू हैविंग और मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स का 80 प्लस है, देन गो फॉर द जेवियर्स, राइट? सो दिस आर द सर्टेन क्राइटेरिया, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट क्राइटेरिया यू कैन चूज. ऑल राइट. So based on that all common questions, I put up the certain questions here. I would like to hear from you in future. You have any more questions, definitely you can directly email. We are putting our email ID and WhatsApp number in the description. Contact there, and we come up with another video with the set of questions that is called FAQ. So this is one of the institute, Pioneer Education Center, जहां से मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. So I would like to thank Pioneer, the founder and the team of the Pioneer, to whom जिन्होंने मुझे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए. When I am visiting a Pioneer, I always love the ambience they have given. I can see that this is the institute जहां पे हम लोग प्रोग्रामिंग कराते हैं, तो we have a facility of laptop from 1-on-1. हर एक स्टूडेंट को लैपटॉप मिला है जहां पे दे आर डूइंग प्रैक्टिस. आई एम सरप्राइज व्हेन दे आर डूइंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बेस्ड प्रैक्टिकल्स देयर. सो ये सारे कॉन्सेप्चुअल लर्निंग है जो आपको इंडस्ट्री में हेल्प करते हैं. सो डेफिनेटली आप विजिट कर सकते हो या उनकी साइट पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं. एंड एनी फर्दर क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू एडमिशन प्रोसेस यू कैन email or WhatsApp. As early as possible, we will reply you. Thank you very much for sparing your time, and all the best for your new academic year and career. Goodbye.